Alright, so you've got yourself a nice piece of steak and you want to make it tender and juicy. Well, I've got you covered with this step-by-step guide on how to tenderize steak. Step 1. Grab a meat mallet. You want one with a textured surface, like this one. It helps break down the muscle fibers and makes the steak more tender. Step 2. Place your steak on a cutting board and cover it with plastic wrap. This will prevent any mess and keep the meat from sticking to the mallet. Step 3. Start pounding the steak gently, working from the center outwards. Be careful not to go too hard, or you'll end up with a flattened mess. Just give it a nice, even pressure. Step 4. Flip the steak over and repeat the process on the other side. This ensures that both sides get tenderized evenly. Step 5. If you want to add some flavor, now's the time. You can marinate the steak or season it with your favorite spices. This will enhance the taste and make it even more delicious. Step 6. Let the steak rest for a few minutes before cooking. This allows the meat to relax and retain its juices, resulting in a more tender and flavorful steak. And there you have it, folks. A simple and effective way to tenderize your steak. Now go ahead and cook it to perfection. Enjoy!